This is Dr. R. Kirubakaramoorthi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, National College, Trichy. Now I am going to explain about cloud computing. Cloud computing delivers the service such as data storage, security, networking via internet. Cloud computing is one of the tremendously biggest technology in this world. You can access anywhere, any place, anytime through internet. So nowadays we can access anywhere. For example, those days we can access any information one place to another place. In those days we have used the post mail. It is not possible right now. We are all overwhelmed in the technology. In case of share any information, message, video, audio, images, any confidential data, you can access one place to another place through the cloud computing and internet. So what is the purpose and the benefit of the cloud computing? The reliable, flexible, I just fixed the 2 point only. This is the major thing. You can access 24/7. So 24/7, the service is a wonderful and a beautiful service through internet. For example, the 24/7 cloud system access from anywhere with excellent response the time. If you have the good internet facility, if you want to share any information, definitely you handled that cloud computing methodology. And then flexible, all done the fast and easy. So this method is fast and easy. So if any information you can share the fast way and easiest way. Before those days, for example, 30 years back, 50 years back, this type of technology we don't know. But nowadays, it is very wonderful and tremendously biggest technology in this cloud computing. The cloud computing influence all over the world. That is the important thing. So many technologies is there, but the cloud is the wonderful one. It have the more accept is there. For example, cloud storage, cloud security. If you want to store in a huge number of data, you easily move to the cloud storage. For example, if you have pen drive or hard disk, in your data storage, you only save only sufficient data. For example, 32 GB pen drive, only you can store 32 GB. That is the enough. But a huge number of the 1000 GB or 500 GB, how can you save the pen drive? It is a big question mark. How it is possible? It is never to save and handle the pen drive or hard disk. In case of any broken or any spoiled or any damage, it is not recover easily. But the cloud storage is very wonderful method. You can store the huge number of data, easily move to the cloud system. So in all the cloud storage system, so the very secured, who is maintained that cloud storage, that is called third parties. Who are the third parties? There are so many cloud so many cloud provider is there. For example, Google, Microsoft, IBM, AWS, which means Amazon Web Service, Alibaba. There are so many companies there. The all company provide the n number of the cloud storage the service. Okay, now I am going to next point, the financially. They only pay for what you need. So what do you use in the cloud computing? For your expense, only you pay the money. That is the good the facility in the exclusive for the cloud computing. And then application of the cloud computing. So many application is there. I mention the 4 application. For example, art application, business application, education application, entertainment, etc. So the business, education, entertainment nowadays is a tremendously the huge number of the people can use this application. The business like the e-commerce, the application, the education, entertainment, all the people are overwhelmed in the application, the oriented. So this is the good providers of the cloud service in the cloud computing. And then characteristics of the cloud computing. What are the character is there? For example, easy maintenance. Definitely it is easy maintenance. For example, the server or the effortly the maintenance, and then the security system is there. Data security is one of the best the character. Security is very the important thing, because all of you data, if any the corporate or public sector or private sector, all of you having save the data and secure the data. Who will save the data and who will save, secure the data very efficiently? So in this big question mark, that question will be solved with the only one answer, the term of the cloud computing and cloud storage. If all type of any type of data, any type of confidential data or video, audio, you can move to the cloud storage, it will be very safe method. They were very productively maintained and very confidentially your data. That is a very important thing one. And another one is the work from any location. Work from any location. Nowadays, we are all access the internet, your mobile phone in your pocket. For example, you are in travel, you are in any remote area. How can you share that any information to other? Very easy way. The easy methodology we can use to internet. For example, email, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. How it is possible? Only fraction of second you can send the message one place to another place very safely and secure. All the security system is not good, but in the cloud storage system is very effectively and very confidentially. And then I move to the another one, work from any location, work remotely or from any location on the planet. And third one is the cloud deployment model. So what are the cloud deployment model? There are three things there. One is public cloud, and another one is private cloud and hybrid cloud. The three cloud computing, the cloud is the very important. First of all, I would like explain public cloud. What is meant by public cloud? Who is the maintained, who is the user of the and browser of the public cloud? For example, access by general public, anybody access by general public, all may use very publicly and commonly use the public cloud. For example, Google, there is no restriction. Any people can access through internet. If you want access, if you want to take any data, if you want to search any the important books, if you want any survey, if you want any film, whatever it is, you can easily access the public cloud. There is no the restriction. But less security purpose is there, because not only the few people use all over the world, all global the people can use very easily the public cloud. For example, Google. And then I explained the private cloud. Who is the maintain the private cloud? The private cloud is exclusively for the solo thing. For example, HCL, IBM, Infosys, these companies are the private internal cloud is there. These are not interconnected, these are not connected with the public cloud. All the confidential project, all the confidential things have maintained in the internal premises only. So the private cloud, it is called as internal cloud. This cloud are maintained by themselves only. Nobody cannot easily access, but so many demerits is there. The cost rate is very high because the maintain in the own purpose. But comparatively, public cloud can use, anyone can use. For example, in what way you can use? In case you have the good internet facility, you access in the laptop or a desktop, in mobile phone, in a tab, in what method you can use the in any way. For example, the people are very interested to search and browse the social media, Facebook, YouTube, whatever it is. In the public cloud is very effectively user and browsers, the huge number of is there. But day by day, the public cloud browsers are increased tremendously in this world. But the private cloud, only this the business people, academic people, and then government sector, any confidential sector like that people only can use the private cloud. And then I move to nothing but the combination of public and the private. The combination of the both and the public and the private, the inter collaboration of hybrid cloud computing. So in these services, for example, the cloud deployment model, there are three services there. The important one is the public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, and the community cloud is there. So these are the main deployment model in the cloud computing. Cloud computing is the common one, but these all are the segregation is different. Cloud is the hub. In the hub is segregated. There are so many varieties and the significance is there in the major topic. So now I am moving to the cloud service. What is mean by cloud service? Definitely the service is very important. Without a service we cannot do anything. For example, what are the services there? SaaS and PaaS, IaaS. For example, SaaS means software as a service, PaaS means platform as a service, IaaS means infrastructure as a service. Why this service is important? What are the purpose of the service? What is the main significance of the service? Number one, SaaS, which means software as a service. I have only little bit platform, I have much more platform, but I need more software to access for a big huge number of tremendously project, but I don't have the proper software. At the time I depend on the cloud server. So the cloud servers, the maintained by the third party. Already I told Amazon, Google, IBM, Alibaba, they have these services provided. Software service, if you want any type of software, they can very easily the provided for the minimum cost. Whatever you may use, that cost only you pay that the cloud provider. The software service is the wonderful service of this world. All the corporate peoples and any unique peoples, business peoples can use the software as the service. And then platform as a service. Platform as a service is also similar to the software as a service. The same like that, what kind of a platform you want. You want any good platform, if you want any good configuration, if you want any hi-fi configuration, if you want any update, then definitely they will provide a platform as a service in the third party. Absolutely. And then one thing, you cannot upload, you cannot installation any from your side, not client side, never install any new thing. The only cloud third party only can give the important information before ensure the users. And then IaaS, infrastructure as a service. For example, I don't have the computer, but I need work from the good configuration laptop or good configuration desktop. I don't have any virtual thing. At the time, I approach the cloud server. So cloud parties, they provide the good infrastructure as a service. Whatever I want, the good configuration, whatever I want access to my work, I easily accessible through the cloud service. So these all are the important thing. The major issues is there in the cloud computing. What are the major issues? The security problem. Security problem is tremendously the face day by day, because so many hackers hack the data the day by day. So all the data are not safe in your cloud storage, but safe, it is not much more secure in your data, because the hackers hack the data the day by day. So now we are see about the cloud computing and benefit of cloud computing, and the deployment of cloud computing, characteristics of cloud computing, and the services of cloud computing. So this is the small lecture for you. Thank you.